All right, Mr. Ahmed, when I showed you the when I uploaded and attached the template for typing a business letter, I didn't expect you to type return address. Remember, when you do receive hard copy, whether it's a bill or something from the government or something from Hostos, you don't see the word return address. Why is all of this double spaced? Can you explain that to me? Why this is double spaced? All right. What is body of the letter? What is salutation? You didn't see that in the template. It was explained to you what those words were. All right. You've done letters before. Okay. Never start a letter with I hope. The hope is for church, temples, synagogues, and mosque. It does not, the word hope does not belong in a business letter or any business correspondence. Hope is not a part, what you would want to do is say that you expect, but you are not talking about, I hope this letter finds you well. What's the purpose of that? This is superfluous. There's no reason. All right? There's no reason for this. Okay? No reason for this introduction statement. I am writing. We know that you're right. Why are you saying this? He knows you're writing. You know, Mr. Bones knows you're writing. Isn't he reading this? Why is this necessary? Again, fluff, too much fluff, unnecessary words. Get to the point. Thank you. Just all you have to do is say thank you. Start with thank you. This is an unnecessary statement. Get to the point of your letter. All you have to do instead of saying all of this, okay, is thank you for your letter of support for the etc. etc. All right, get rid of all of that. Your enthusiastic endorsement truly made a significant difference in my application process. Good. I appreciate the time and effort you took to show my contributions and commitment to community service. Your belief in my abilities has motivated me to strive for excellence, and I am incredibly grateful for your guidance and support throughout the journey. Nice. I am pleased to inform you that I was awarded the scholarship. This opportunity will greatly assist me in furthering my education and continuing my community service efforts. I will keep you updated on my progress. And you see this word hope? Get rid of it. Okay? Get rid of it. Never use the word hope in business correspondence, business documents. Never. Thank you once again for your invaluable support. I look forward to sharing more successes with you in the future. And instead of hope, and I intend to make you proud, or I will make you proud as I take on this new challenge. All right, something definitive. What is all of this? There's no reason for this. All right, this is unnecessary. And it's sincerely. Okay, go back, go back to the template and follow the correct format.